In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize OneNote tabs in alphabetical order. This process will help you create a more structured and easy-to-navigate notebook. While OneNote does not have a built-in feature to automatically alphabetize your section or page tabs, you can still do this manually. It may seem like a simple task, but organizing your notes can greatly enhance your productivity. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open your notebook in OneNote. Once it is open, you'll see your section tabs across the top of the window. These tabs represent different sections of your notebook. This is where you begin the manual organization process. Make sure you have a clear view of all your sections so you can easily identify where each tab belongs in alphabetical order. This initial setup is crucial because it allows you to visualize the overall structure of your notebook before making adjustments. Next, click and hold a section tab that you want to move. Once you've clicked and held the tab, you can drag it left or right along the row of tabs. As you drag, pay attention to the position of the tab in relation to the others. You will want to place it in the correct alphabetical position. This step is important because it ensures that your tabs are in the right order, which makes it easier to find what you need later. After you've placed the tab, release it to drop it in its new position. Now repeat this process for the remaining section tabs until all of them are arranged in A to Z order. It might take a little time depending on how many sections you have, but it is worth the effort. As you complete each drag and drop action, you may notice that your notebook starts to look much more organized. This will save you time when you are looking for specific sections in the future, making it a valuable investment of your time. Once your section tabs are organized, we will move on to alphabetizing the page tabs. First, open the section that contains the pages you want to organize. You will see a list of pages on the right side of your screen. This is where you will focus next. Having the section open ensures that you are working with the correct pages and helps prevent any confusion. Now click and hold a page tab that you want to move. Similar to the section tabs, you will drag this page tab up or down in the list to position it in its correct alphabetical order. It's essential to stay focused during this step, as the arrangement of your page tabs is just as crucial as the sections. This organization helps you quickly locate the notes you require, ensuring a smooth workflow. Continue repeating this action for all the pages in that section until they are all arranged from A to Z. This may take some time, but the goal is to create a fluid structure within your notebook. Once you finish, you will have a clearer overview of your notes, which can significantly enhance your efficiency. Before we wrap up, it's important to note that OneNote does not automatically maintain this alphabetical order when you create new sections or pages. You will need to move new items into the correct position manually. This step is vital to remember, as it ensures that your organizational efforts are not undone by new additions. Lastly, rearranging sections or pages does not affect your notes or links within the notebook. If you find that you frequently need automatic sorting, consider looking into third-party add-ins such as OneMore or OneTastic. These tools can provide additional sorting features, but they are not built into OneNote. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.